good morning, my dear Dantika. In the previous class, we have discussed about we have started the examples and we completed example number 2. Okay, so today we are going to discuss the example number 3, page number 280. Okay, what is example number 3? Consider a triangle PQR. Okay, right angle R. Okay, in which PQ equal to 29 units and QR equal to 21 units. Okay, and angle PQR equal to theta and angle PQR equal to theta. Then find the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta and cos theta minus sin square theta. Okay, now what is given right now? Okay, triangle PQR, triangle PQR. Okay, in this right angle R. Okay, anytime we have to put it down on the right angle, but you have to mark the right angle. Okay, then we can get the idea about the figure. Okay, right angle R. Okay, R. Okay, now P Q. Okay, now angle PQ equal to theta. Angle PQ equal to theta. Okay, now PQ equal to what? 29 units. PQ means hypotenuse. So this is 29 units. Okay, 29 units. Okay, now again QR equal to QR into what? This one. Okay, height of the right angle. So that is 21 units. Okay, 21 units. Okay, now to find the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta and cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, for that write down given. Okay, given PQ equal to 29 units. Okay, PQ equal to 29 units. 29 units and 29 units and QR equal to 21 units. 21 units. Okay, 21 units. Okay, now angle PQR equal to theta. Angle QRP. Okay, QPR. Angle QPR equal to theta. Here angle PQR equal to theta. So the theta is at the point Q. Okay. Now, given that angle PQI is equal to theta, so theta is the point Q. Okay, now, so given that angle PQI equal to theta, okay, now angle PQI equal to theta, angle PQI equal to theta. Okay, now for theta, adjacent side is given, hypotenuse is given. We have to find the opposite side. So we have to find the value of PR. Okay, by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so applying Pythagoras theorem, so applying Pythagorean. Applying Pythagorean to triangle PQR. Applying Pythagorean. Pythagoras. Pythagoras. Pythagorean to theorem to triangle PQR. To triangle PQR. Okay? PQR we get QR square plus QR square plus PR square equal to PR square equal to PR square equal to PQ square. Okay? PQ square. Okay, now substitute here PQ and QR. Okay, now QR equal to what? 21 units. So 21 whole square, 21 whole square. PR value we don't know. You have to find it. Okay? PR equal PR square. Okay? PR square equal to PQ square. PQ square equal to what? PQ equal to what? 29. So 29 whole square. Okay? 29 whole square. Okay? Now 21 whole square into what? 441. Okay? 441 plus PR square equal to PR square equal to 29 square equal to what? 29 into 29. 29 equal to 8 and 9, 41. Okay? So 8 and 9, 41. If you want, you can do in your rough the multiplication 29 into 29 and 21 into 21. So PR square equal to PR square equal to 841 minus 441. Okay? 441. Okay? Now 841 and 441 what gives? Giving negative PR square equal to 400. Okay? PR square equal to 400. Okay? Now PR equal to under root of 400. Under root of 400. Okay? So PR equal to 20 units. Okay? 20 is 400. So PR equal to 20 units. 20 units. Okay? Now, you have to find out cos theta and sin theta. Okay? You have to find what? Cos theta and sin theta. Okay? Now, for angle PQR equal theta. For angle PQR equal to theta. PQR equal to theta. And this is equal to what? QR. And this is equal to QR equal to 21 units. 21 units. Okay? Opposite is equal to what? PR. Opposite is equal to what? PR Okay, that is equal to 20 units. Okay, 20 units. We are at equal 20 units. 20 units. Hypotenuse is equal to PQ. Hypotenuse is equal to what? PQ. Okay, so PQ equal to 29 units. PQ equal to 29 units. Okay, 29 units. Okay, 29 units. Okay, now again, for angle PQR equal to theta, for angle PQR equal to theta, PQR equal to theta, adjacent side equal to what? Adjacent side R again. Okay, now for angle PQR equal to theta, cos theta is defined as cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay, so that equal to adjacent side equal to what? QR. QR by now cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse equal to what? QR. Adjacent side equal to QR by hypotenuse equal to PQ. Okay, so cos theta equal to what? QR equal to what? 21 by PQ 29. Okay, similarly sin theta equal to what? Sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse equal to opposite side equal to what? PR by PQ. Opposite side equal PR by PQ. Okay? Now, sin theta equal to PR. What is PR? 20 by 29. Okay? Hypotenuse equal to PQ. Okay? PQ equal to 29. Okay? Now what we want? Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Okay? Now, want what? Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Okay? What one? Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Okay? Okay? So equal to cos square theta into what? Cos theta whole square. Okay? Cos theta whole square. Okay? Plus sin theta whole square. Okay? Sin theta whole square. Okay? Look at here. Anytime cos square theta is equal to cos theta whole square. Okay? cos theta whole square is equal to cos square theta. Okay, find the trigonometric ratio. Okay, but cos theta whole square, cos theta whole square is not equal to cos theta square. Okay, cos theta square. Okay, cos theta whole square equal to cos square theta. Okay, cos theta whole square is not equal to cos theta square. Why? Because theta is nothing but the angle measurement. Once the angle measurement is measured, it is always fixed. It can't change its value. Okay? So cos theta whole square is not equal to cos theta square into r. Cos theta whole square into r. The corresponding trigonometric ratio for the corresponding angle will be squared. Okay? But the angle cannot be squared because the angle is a fixed angle. Okay? So according to that concept, cos square theta equal to cos theta whole square and sin square theta equal to sin theta whole square. Okay? Now cos theta whole square into r 21 to 29. Substitute the values. Okay? 21 by 29 whole square plus sin theta. What is sin theta? 20 by 29 whole square. Now, cos square theta plus sin square theta equal cos theta whole square plus sin theta whole square. Okay? Next. And what I do this is in the form of a by b whole square. Okay? Sin theta whole square. So 20 by 29 whole square. Now this is in the form of a by b whole square. So nothing by a square by b square. 21 square by 29 square plus 20 square by 29 square. Okay? Now, that is equal to 21 square equal to what? 441. Okay? By 29 square equal to 841. Okay, here we got 20 square equal to 841, 21 square equal to 441. 20 square equal to 400. Okay? Plus 400 by 841. Okay? 841. Okay? Now denominator is same, numerator is added directly. So equal to 441 plus 400 by 841. Okay? 841. Now that is equal to what? We have to add it. 441 plus 400. Okay? Okay? And then nothing but equal to you're going to 441 plus 400 equal to what? 841 by 841. Okay? 841 is cancel equal to 1. Okay? So therefore cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to sin square theta equal to 1. Next, second one. What is second one? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay? Okay, that equal to cos theta whole square minus sin theta whole square. Sin theta whole square. Okay, now equal to cos theta equal what? 21 by 29. Okay, 21 by 29 whole square. 21 by 29 whole square minus 20 by 29 sin theta value. 20 by 29 whole square. 20 by 29 whole square. Okay, now equal to a by b whole square, a square by b square. So 21 square by 29 square minus 20 square by 20 square by 29 square. Okay, that equal to 21 square equal to what? 441 by 841. 21 square equal to what? 841. 21 square equal to what? 29 into 29. A square equal to what? A into A. B square equal to what? B into B. In that manner we have to calculate. Okay? Now 20 minus 20 square equal to what? 400 by 841. Okay, 841. Okay, now denominators are same, so numerator can be added in a direct way without taking the LCM value. Okay, in the denominator are different, we have to take the LCM by using factorization method. Okay. Now, equal to 841. Now it has 4 equal to 441 minus 400 by 841. Okay. Now 441 minus 400, you can get as 41. So 41 by 81. 841. Okay. 41 by 841. So therefore cos square theta minus sin square theta equal to sin square theta equal to 41 by 841. Okay? This is your example number 6. Okay? In this way you have to simplify the square values. Okay? And remember that cos square theta is not equal to cos theta square. Okay? Cos square theta is equal to cos theta whole square. Okay? Now, anytime the angle value cannot be increased because it is a fixed value. Okay? No need a trigonometry, the corresponding trigonometric ratio of the particular unknown angle will be increased. Okay? By that we can find the value of the unknown angle. Okay? In that way we have to do the problem. Now next we are going to discuss about the exercise. Now we are going to discuss about the 11.1 exercise problems. Okay, in that first problem we can discuss what is first problem. Okay, in the right angle triangle, ABC, 8 centimeter, 15 centimeter, and 70 centimeter are the length of AB, BC, and CA respectively. Okay, then find out the value. Find out the values of sin A, cos A, and tan A. Okay, see here in this problem the right angle is not given. Okay, and he given one hint. Find the values of sin A, cos A, and tan A. Means what? The angle A is not a right angle. Okay, in triangle ABC. Okay, so according to this concept, we can draw a triangle with angle A equal to theta. Okay, now draw one rectangle triangle ABC. ABC. Okay, at B point we are having rectangle. Okay. Because at which point the right angle is did not mention. So you can take either B or C, but not A, because A is unknown angle. Okay? Now, A. Okay? A, B, C. Okay? Now, 8 centimeter, AB equal to 8 centimeter. Okay? AB equal to 8 centimeter. Okay? Now, AB equal to 8 centimeter, BC equal to 15 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 15 centimeter, and AC equal to 70 centimeter. Okay? Now, find the value of sin A, cos A, and tan A. Okay? Now, given that data we have to write in the answer sheet. Okay? Given AB equal to 8 centimeter, BC equal to 15 centimeter, 15 centimeter, and AC equal to 70 centimeter. Okay? Always you have to remember that the height value represents the hypotenuse side in a right angle triangle. Okay? Now, for angle BAC, okay, equal theta we should not take because here here the theta, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta is ignored. You have to only sin A, cos A and tan A. Okay? For your convenience, if you can keep A equal theta also, no problem. Okay? Now, find B is equal theta. Theta adjacent are equal to AB. AB equal to 8 centimeters. Okay? 8 centimeters. Opposite are equal to what? Opposite are equal to what? BC equal to 15 centimeters. Okay? Now, hypotenuse equal to AC. AC equal to 17 centimeters. Okay? So, for angle BAC, for angle BAC equal to theta, BAC equal to theta, sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, opposite side by hypotenuse equal to what? Opposite side. What is opposite side? BC. BC by hypotenuse AC. Okay? Hypotenuse equal to AC. So, sin theta equal to what? Sin theta equal to BC equal to what? 15 by 17. Okay? BC equal to 15 and AC equal to 17. So, 15 by 17. Okay? What is theta and A? So, therefore, sin A equal to sin A equal to 15 centimeters. 15 by 17. Okay? 15 by 17. This is sin A value. Okay? And cos A. Okay? This is sin A. Okay? Then cos A. Cos theta. Okay? Cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay, definition of cos theta. Okay, equal to adjacent side. What is adjacent side? AB. AB by AC. Okay, AB by AC. AB by AC. Okay, so cos theta equal to adjacent side. What is adjacent side? 8. 8 by 17. 8 by 17. Okay, therefore cos A. Theta into what? A. Okay, PG at the point A, angle theta is located. Okay, so cos A equal to cos A equal to cos A equal to 8 by 17. Okay, now this is cos A. Okay, now tan A we have to find. Okay, tan A equal to tan theta. Okay, tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, equal to opposite side equal to what? BC. BC by adjacent side AB. So BC by AB. BC by AB. Okay, so tan theta equal to BC. What is BC value? BC value 15 by 8. 15 by 8. So tan theta equal to what? A. Angle A. So tan A equal to tan A equal to 15 by 8. 15 by 8. Okay, this is the value of tan A. Okay, this is the first problem. Okay, the right again we have to find the adjacent, the opposite and hypotenuse, and we have to find sin A value, cos A value, and tan A value. Okay. Now, next problem. Now we are going to discuss about second problem in exercise 7.1. Okay, what is second problem? The side of a triangle. Okay, the side of a right angle triangle PQR. Okay, or PQ equal to 7 centimeters and PI equal to 25 centimeters. And angle Q equal to 90 degrees. Means right angle is given. Okay, respectively. Then find tan P minus tan R. Okay, for that, first we have to draw the triangle PQR. Okay, PQR. Triangle PQR. Okay, right angle is hit Q. Okay, okay, Q, P, R. Okay, now given data, we have to write given PQ equal to 7 centimeters. PQ equal to 7 centimeters. Okay, QR equal to PR. Okay, sorry. PR by region. Okay. PR equal to 25 centimeters. Okay. PR equal to 25 centimeters. 25 centimeters. Okay. Now angle Q equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Angle Q equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Now we have to find the value of QR. Okay, by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so applying Pythagoras theorem to applying Pythagoras theorem. Applying Pythagoras theorem to triangle PQR. Okay, applying Pythagoras theorem to triangle PQR. Theorem to triangle PQR. Triangle PQR. Okay. So that is nothing but PQ square plus PQ square plus QR square equal to QR square equal to PR square. Okay? PR square. Okay? Now, PQ already given. So 7 square plus QR square equal to VR equal to what? 25 already given in the problem. Okay? So VR 25 whole square. 25 whole square. Okay? Now 7 square equal to what? 49. 49 plus QR square equal to QR square equal to 25 whole square equal to what? 625. 625. Okay, 625. Okay, now QR square equal to QR square equal to 625 minus 49. Okay, 625 minus 49. Okay, now QR square equal to QR square equal to 576. Now, okay, 15 minus 9 equal to 6. Okay, 11. 1 did not borrow with 4. 2 take borrow. So 11 minus 4 equal to 7. Okay, 1 is borrowed now. What is remaining? 5. Okay, so 576. Okay, now QR equal to under root of 576. Okay, under root of 576. Okay, 576. We have to find the square root value by using division method. Okay, let us see. In the work we have to do. So 576. Okay, now division method. Okay, now 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4. Okay, 1 remain. So 176. Okay, now 2 plus 2 equal to what? 4. Okay, 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Now what is 4? Why 4 was a 15 now? So according to that concept, we have to do 44 into 4. 44 into 4. How much? 4 4 the 16. Okay? 1 no. 4 4 the 16 is 17. So 4 4 the 16. So 44 4 the equal to 176. Okay? So what is the minus 0? So what is the square root value? 24. So QR equal to 24 centimeters. Okay? QR equal to 24 centimeters. Okay? Now, 24 centimeters completed now. Now, you have to find what is tan P and tan R. Okay? Now, for angle P QPR adjacent side equal to what? For angle P adjacent side equal to PQ. Okay, PQ equal to what? 7 centimeters. Okay, now opposite side equal to what? Opposite side equal to QR. Okay, QR. Okay, equal to QR equal to what? QR equal to 24 centimeters. We got one by using Pythagoras theorem. So, O is QR equal to 24 centimeters and hypotenuse equal to 25 centimeters. Okay? 25 centimeters. Okay? Now, for angle QPR equal to, for angle QPR, okay? Tan P equal to, what? Tan P equal to what? Adjacent, opposite by adjacent. Okay? Opposite side by adjacent side. Okay? Equal to what? Opposite side by adjacent side equal to what? QR by PQ. Okay? QR by PQ. Okay? Now, tan P equal to what? Tan P equal to QR equal to what? 24 by 7. Okay? 24 by 7. Okay? This is tan P value. Okay? Now, next order to find tan R. Okay? Okay, tan R we have to find. Okay? Now, for angle QRP. For angle QRP. Okay? Adjacent side equal to what? Adjacent side equal to QR. Okay, equal to what? QR equal to 24 centimeters. 24 centimeters. Okay? Now, opposite side equal to QP or PQ. Opposite side equal to PQ. What? PQ equal to what? 7 centimeters. Okay? Hypotenuse equal to what? PR. Hypotenuse equal to PR. Equal to 25 centimeters. Okay? 25 centimeters. Okay? Now, hypotenuse of PR equal to 25 centimeters. Now, angle QRP. For angle QRP, tan R equal to tan R. Tan R equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Okay? Opposite side by adjacent side. Okay? Equal to what is opposite side? PQ. PQ by QR. PQ by QR. Okay? Okay? So tan R equal to what? Tan R equal to PQ equal to what? PQ 7 by 24. 7 by 24. Okay? 7 by 24 is something what the tan R value. Okay? Now, you have to find tan P by tan R. Okay? Now tan P minus tan I equal to tan P minus tan I. Tan P minus tan I equal to what? Tan P equal to what? 24/7. Okay? 24/7 minus tan I. What is tan I? 7/24. Okay? 7/24. Okay? So take ACM. Okay? ACM 24 7 how much? 24 7 7 4 28. 2. Okay? 7 2 14. 14 with 2 16. Okay? 7 4 28. Okay? 7 2 14. 14 with 2 16. Okay? So directly we took ACM now. So from 24 into 24, 24 into 24 minus 7 into 7. Okay? 7 into 7. Okay? That is nothing of 24, 24 the 576. 576. Okay? Minus 7 what? 49. Okay? By 168. 168. Okay? So that is equal to 576 minus 49. How much? 576 minus 49. Okay? 15 minus 9 how much? 10. Okay, 16 minus 9 equals 7. Okay, 6 minus 4 equals to what? 2. So, 527 by 168. That is the value of tan P minus tan I. Okay, so therefore tan P minus tan I equal to tan P minus tan R equal to tan R equal to 527 by 527 by 527 by 168. 168. Okay? Okay, this is your second problem. Remaining problems you can discuss in next class. Thank you.